Forged Beard Co., beard care at a small batch scale, history as a theme, and America all intertwined. Woo, baby! We have 3 limited edition scents. 2 of them are backed by popular demand, and 1 is new. They're all new to me, so I'm going to share this with you guys today. And yeah, I got a beanie on. It's cold outside. I'm talking like -25 wind chill. Yeah, real. Dan, you chose to live there. I know. I love Michigan. These days do get tough though. Let me tell you, they really, really do. All right, guys, into this video here. I apologize if that clap was late. It was not planned. This is not an affiliate of mine, but I do highly recommend them. Who knows where that relationship will go in the future? It is working beautifully. I love what they're doing. We'll see where that goes. But we do have a discount code for you guys. DanC10 saves you guys 10% off and supports this company that is wonderful. Get to know Jeremy, the owner. He is a great guy. He's doing some big things, building up some stuff for this year, and I'm excited to be along for the journey, and hopefully I'll have opportunities to keep you guys posted. So let's go ahead and get into these 3 limited edition scents, and we'll start with this one right here, and I do have matching butters for all of these, but we're just going to talk about the oils. Now, I've covered this company 2 or 3 times before this, so make sure you go check out those videos for all the company info, the oil info. The carrier blend is jojoba, grapeseed, argan, and then essential oils is what we have here today. Medium viscosity. It just gets the job done. It really does. It's not fancy. It's not, and I don't say this in a negative way, but it's not anything special, but it just works. They're not reinventing the wheel. So let's go ahead and talk about the first one, and that is Valley Forge. Peep that artwork on there. Absolutely love it. And the scent profile on Valley Forge is, we have on the label here, spruce, cypress, and allspice. Spruce, cypress, and allspice. So this one is not for me, right? I don't enjoy allspice. I don't enjoy those kind of scents, and that's what overpowers it for me because I am sensitive to that smell. I do when I wear it in beard, the spruce does come out. And then the cypress, I'm not really sure. I don't know if I pulled that out of there, if it just blends with other ones. But if you like the clove world, if you like the allspice world, that spicier side of things, that darker type scent, this is going to be for you. It's just not for me. This is one I'm probably going to pass on to a buddy after the video. But I did wear it, and it wasn't anything that I had to wash out, so that's a good thing. All right, and then moving on from there, let's go with a similar label on this one, and this one is Treason. Treason. And the Valley Forge is backed by popular demand from the winter. That was a really nice one from 24-25 winter, and it's back again this year. Treason is their February limited edition, and it's launching, I think, like the day of this video or recently to this video, and there's a lot of notes on this one. Okay, this one is me to, it's what I have in beard right now, actually. This one is me to the core. If Valley Forge is not for me, if you don't like my preferences, go with that one. If you align with me, yes, 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 Treason. Now, the bottle says hibiscus, chamomile, and bergamot. That's what they give you. Well, I got a little bit more on the details here. All essential oils, by the way. The top notes, the things you smell first, the things that are going to dissipate the fastest, the things that come out the most in the bottle would be bergamot, lemon, and peppermint. Yes, please. The middle notes, the ones that have that little bit of staying power as those top notes fade off, they come out a little bit more. Chamomile, lavender, and rosemary. Yes, please. And then the base notes. These are the ones that even essential oils can last 6, 7, 8 hours long, and they really build everything from there. They have the bigger molecules, the stickier molecules, and that is hibiscus. This is invigorating. This is refreshing. It's in that mint, in that calm, in that like nature-filled way. This will go on the wear it shelf. This is one I genuinely love. Love, 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 love. Treason right there, you guys. All right, and then the last one, Cheers, and this one is just a straight up root beer scent, and this one's a limited edition. I believe it is. It is backed by popular demand, you guys. And this one smells like root beer, straight up. I recently covered another root beer that had some different layers in it, refreshing in it. which might be a risk. You might say, I don't know if I like having that and that in it. This smells like root beer. Now, I believe it is all essential oils. Yeah, this is pure natural. It just smells like root beer. It's lighter, it's not very aggressive, but it smells like root beer. If you want to smell like root beer, this one's gonna be for you. I like it a lot. It's not like a crave, it's not a love, especially after wearing the Treason. Insanely good. The butter is smooth, it melts down, it's nourishing. I really, really like the direction this company is going, you guys. If some of you have fear with like new companies, you're like, if I try them and love them, I worry about them going away or slowing down. I don't see that with this company. I see them rising and going after it. The owner is a grinder, a worker, and he wants to do it the right way. He asks questions, he makes connections, and I respect the heck out of that. So, down below, you guys, any experience with Forest Beard Co? How's the weather in your area? Goodness, don't brag out there, Arizona. And then, any questions, any experiences, leave them down below. I appreciate you guys. My name's Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.